my channel. If you are a new subscriber, like, welcome. Thank you for joining the fam. Bam. It feels good. It's April, y'all. It is April. We started this whole Fam Bam session on YouTube in November of 2017, and I can't believe how much we have grown. I thank you guys so much for your support. I thank you guys for everything. I can't thank y'all enough. I can't. Y'all the real MVPs. But anyways, I'm coming to you guys today with a hair tutorial. I'll be showing you guys how I complete a braidless crochet mohawk. Boom. Like, that title just sounds official. Like, I just felt the need to say boom. But I'm coming to you today, makeup on already. I'm Millie Rock on any block. But if you would like to see how I do this natural beat, I do not have on any foundation. Drop a comment down below. It is only concealer, setting powder, highlight, mascara, and some lip gloss. Bam! Alright, so if you would like to see how I achieve that style, stay tuned. And I'll see you at the end of the video. And here's the final look, you guys. I love this hairstyle so much. It was so easy to achieve, and it is very, very budget friendly. And we know we all trying to save a coin. Everything that I used today will be listed down in the description box below. If you have any questions or any comments, drop them down in the comment section, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, like, what y'all waiting for? Go ahead and hit that red button. As always, I thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.